Okay, with a heavy heart, I have decided to take this system out and replace it back with the factory system. Um, and I'll tell you why. With this system here, unfortunately, that this does not come with a passenger occupancy system that's built in the Lexus, like the factory navigation or infotainment system did. So there's nothing for for the airbag system to talk to, and there's no way to bypass it because that system runs through several other fuses that you need, including air conditioning and the starting system, all on the same circuit. So I mean, unfortunately, I mean, it has a lot of benefits. I mean, if that worked, or if there was some way to kill the system without killing the airbags, um, then that would be awesome. But until then, I kind of figured that is going to be more important to me. Um, so I'm probably going to be taking the system out. I'm still researching some other options, maybe so that the car isn't triggering the airbag light. But until then, that's the only way to work because the original system, the factory infotainment system, had that in it, and unfortunately, that's what it talks to. So, um, so with that, and there's no way to reset it. There's no way to no real way that I have found yet to bypass it, and without having to rewire something. And when I did this install, the purpose of it was to try to get an install that would not have to cut into any wiring, that you use the harnesses to do everything, and that if I wanted to put the factory system back in, I could. So far we've accomplished that. So it's made it a little bit easier to deal with, but for now, it's like this has a lot of benefits. It does work. Everything works on it. The phone, the dashboard. Well, the dashboard doesn't work, but other options. The controller works great. You got all these options. You can even get on. You got your navigation through Google. I don't know if you can see that, but I'll try to hold this steady. But I mean, all this stuff works. It's if you can get on Wi-Fi, it's all 4G. Um, so it's not too bad. I mean, I may try to continue to work on this to research it. Um, but if you can deal with the airbag light flashing on you all the time while you're driving, then then this would be awesome for you. But for me, I'd like to have most of that still intact. And I don't think that this company has an app that works for that. They do for the air conditioning though. The air conditioning and dual control works fine. It works great. And you can. It works great, but why not the airbag system? That's kind of odd. I wish they had that. So in any case, I guess that's it. So just wanted to give you that update. We're probably going to be tearing this thing down again and reinstalling the original factory equipment. So, but it is still gold. This is not garbage. It's just there's just wish there was some things that they would have added as an stuff, having this as an afterthought. So, thanks for checking this out.